Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm starting to go one of our small vlog series from our camping trips, and we are in Ullswater. It's the 27th of May and
we are heading to the basketball court.
Hello vloggers, I'm here again.
As already seen, Grandma and Oscar are with us. Oscar obviously, and then Grandma's joined us for this trip. She's going to be in a tent this year. Last year she stayed in a hotel, however it did work out pretty expensive this year, around £500 for 3 nights, so she just thought she could stay in a tent on our pitch. The drive down here was super easy, straight up the M6, and then 10 minutes after the M6 you're here. So really good. We stopped off halfway at the service station, and that was good. Mummy and Daddy are obviously unpacking everything right now, setting up the camper van, as if you would have seen our Welsh vlogs. I helped with that as well, so I'm going to go and do that now. Just been on a walk to the welcome centre to see what it was like. Kept clean, very nice as always. We've been here before, so we know what to expect. However, I have to say it's much busier than the campsite we stayed in Wales, and I think that's just because it's more children friendly. There's more things to do. But in case you're wondering, we are in Ullswater. We're in Ullswater in the Lake District. It's very nice. There's some lovely walks to do. We're going to do Area Falls. It's a lovely walk. I'll of course vlog that. And then we're going to go and walk to Hotown, I think it's called. And there's a nice little coffee shop there that we went to last year as well. So yes, join us on our Lake District vlog series. And again, in case you're wondering, Lilo's joined us again for this trip. She came to Wales with us and really enjoyed it. She's had a good journey up here. Got a bit scared at one point, but we're all good. She's clipped in for now, and then later she'll be unclipped. If I spin around, we can see that we are currently setting up the van. Daddy's doing his favourite job of setting up the awning, and we've also used the attached awnings to the van as well this time, which we don't normally use. I think within about 40 minutes we'll be all set up and ready to go. Well, as already mentioned, Grandma is going to be sleeping in the tent for this holiday. This is the exact same tent we used for the lockdown residential that we did at home in 2020.
I brought this in Sainsbury's.
We brought this in Sainsbury's. Hopefully it's going to last for this holiday without blowing away. And I'm sure Grandma will give us a tent tour later. But anyway, we're almost finished getting everything set up in the van. We've got the awning all sorted, which you would have seen in our Wales videos, and if you haven't gone to check them out, go and check them out afterwards. We've almost got everything sorted inside the van. You can see it's a bit clearer. And then Oscar and Lilo are sat just here. Lilo's just chilling at the moment. We're probably going to head down to the water
Soon.
later.
I've been reading my book.
Oscar's been reading the book, but we're all enjoying our time.
Well, welcome to my tent life, everyone. First time since the age of 16 I've been under canvas. Here I am. Cooey! Looks very cosy. I'm going to put my clothes down there in a second. Here's been in the gravelly. Looks very good. Really good.
So we're just walking along the pier/jetty on what is a beautiful day here at Ullswater. I'm going to walk to Pooley Bridge as well in just a bit. So we are just going to walk to Pooley Bridge now. Oscar and Daddy are going to go to the water, and they've got the GoPro with them, so hopefully they can do some filming, and we can insert this now.
Okay, so now we are jumping off the jetty. Lovely day to here in the Lake District. Now we're just going to be jumping off.
Just get in. You're right, go on lads.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's so cold!
Glad you got your wetsuit on.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm putting it back on.
As you can see, they're having an amazing time. I'm going to come back after Pooley Bridge
some water.
and I'm going to watch a series. I'm going to try and find a series to watch, either After Flood Series 2, which I haven't finished yet, or something else. But I brought my work iPad, so Netflix and Disney Plus isn't on there anyway. So that's starting to get downloaded now on the Wi-Fi, which costs £17 for 7 days. So hopefully that will be finished downloading when I get back, and then I can watch something. But I'm going to take you to Pooley Bridge now, and we're going to have an explore around. Well, we are walking now along to Pooley Bridge, or Pooley Bridge, or however you want to pronounce it. Just like the Salcombe saga all over again. But we eventually decided to go with Salcombe. So that's what the locals say. And you'll be able to watch our series in Salcombe this year. We're going in August, which is super exciting. Just for a week. We didn't go last year though, because we were in Florida. But it'll be very nice to go to Salcombe again. And seeing as though we most likely aren't going next year, because we're going to Florida again in 2027. Stay tuned though for more updates on that trip, as it's going to be an incredible trip with maybe a pit stop somewhere else. But we're enjoying our time here at the Lake District. The weather's really nice compared to what it's been like in Northamptonshire where we live, because it's been 33, 34 degrees, which for this type of holiday, you don't really want that. It's about 24 degrees here at the moment, which is almost perfect for what we're doing here. Well, we are just taking a bit of an explore up the pathway from Pooley Bridge. I was just saying it's like the Salcombe or Salcombe saga all over it again. Is it Pooley Bridge or is it Pooley Bridge?
Pooley.
Salcombe.
It's Salcombe.
It's Salcombe, that's what the locals say. We're just having a bit of a stroll along here. Lilo's enjoying herself.
Having a nice long lead in the pool.
Nice long lead in the cool. There we go. Well, we're continuing walking up here for a bit. It's not something you see every day. An abandoned buggy. A bit weird. Just in the middle of the path. And there's no sign of anybody around, let alone a toddler / baby. Goodness knows where they're disappeared to. But they may be missing a buggy. I mean, I wasn't expecting to come up here, however, it's nice. Should get a nice view near the top, which would be nice. Well, we are just on our way back now to the campsite. I think we're going to have a barbecue for dinner. I'm going to film a bit more though with the evening stuff compared to last time. Although this has been a short vlog, but it's nice to get it done. There's little Lilo having a bit of fun in the water. Well, we've just got back to the van and we had a lovely walk. I'm going to sit down now and hopefully try and find a series to watch. I think there should be something on Netflix that I can surely find, and if not, Disney Plus or other appropriate softwares. We're going to do that now, and I'll probably see you next when we are having the barbecue. And I believe that Lilo just here enjoyed her walk as well as
I enjoyed it.
Mummy and...
Really great walk, everybody. Can highly recommend it. Little steep in places, but really good.
Here's the review from Granny Annie.
There you go. So it's about an hour later since the last clip, and I've got into the series called, try and find it, God, I can't think of the name. A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. Someone posted it on their Instagram that I'm friends with. And I thought, you know what, this might be worth a watch. I'm in episode 2 currently. and I'm really enjoying it. Hopefully I'll get the series finished by the end of the holiday. Maybe get halfway through tonight if I have time. But it's so good. Really recommend it. It's on Netflix. And I've just got it set up on my iPad just here. And Oscar is watching YouTube over there. I think he's watching Kid City or something like that. But we're enjoying our evening. We're going to have a barbecue soon as well. So I'll bring you along for that. Well, attached to the van is Daddy, who's been cooking our sausages, burgers and other barbecue items. We're going to tuck into these now. There's the little barbecue just here. We'll enjoy our barbecue. Well, I'm almost through episode 4 of the show that I'm watching, and I've got a small just here that I'm going to eat now. The show that I'm watching though is really, really, really good. Thoroughly recommend it. It's on Netflix and it was produced by the BBC. I'm going to tuck into this now and I'll see you later. So we have had our dinner. It's now about 10:30 probably. Yeah, 10:30, 10:29. And I'm just trying to finish off the episodes I'm watching of the TV programme. Obviously won't give any spoilers away, but it's so good. Also got a fidget from the shop, which is good. But we've had a really good day so far. Bear in mind we got here at 12:30ish. I've still done 14,000 steps, which in my opinion is pretty good. However, I wasn't able to do my morning walk as I have been doing for the last few days. But I think I'm going to start waking up quite early, about 5:30, and going on a walk every morning, because it does help your well-being, as I've found this week. But thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe. When you subscribe, turn that post notification bell on, so when we upload a new video, you can be one of the first people to watch it. Make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow. I think we're doing a nice little walk around Ullswater. Bye everybody!